All right, let's talk about something that could completely change how you deal with car trouble. We're going to break down this promotional doc for a new kind of service, a mobile mechanic that's all about bringing a high-tech fix to a really old problem.
You know that feeling, right? That sinking feeling in your stomach when the car just stops. Your whole day is shot. You got to make a bunch of phone calls, and then comes the long, frustrating wait for a tow truck. But what if you could flip that whole script? What if the garage came directly to you?
And that's exactly the big idea here, a mechanic on demand. Just look at their tagline, precision, protection, on the path. You can tell right away what they're going for. Expertise, a sense of security, and maybe most importantly, convenience. The promise is pretty simple. We'll get you back on your way with as little hassle as possible.
And then there's the company's motto. We fix more than cars, we keep you moving. I mean, that tells you everything, doesn't it? It's not just about the nuts and bolts, it's about keeping your life, your schedule, your day from getting derailed. It totally reframes car repair from this huge crisis into just a little pit stop.
Okay, so that's the big picture. But what do they actually do? Let's get into the specifics and take a look at their service menu.
So their core services are actually pretty comprehensive. You've got the main event, of course, on-demand repairs and diagnostics right in your driveway or at your office. But they've also got you covered with emergency roadside assistance for those real panic moments. And then it gets interesting. They have a subscription model for ongoing care and even gifting options. I mean, can you imagine gifting someone a free oil change? Pretty clever. Oh, and they also throw in mileage tracking. It's kind of like the whole shebang for your car.
Let's dig into that membership plan for a second, the MMVIPS plan. It bundles in preventative maintenance, service insurance, and, well, peace of mind. And that's the real game changer here, right? This shifts the entire service from being just reactive, fixing stuff when it breaks, to being proactive. The goal is to stop those breakdowns from ever even happening.
All right, now we get to what really makes this different, the High-Tech Toolbox. See, this isn't just a mechanic showing up in a van. This whole service is built on a modern tech platform. This is the secret sauce that makes it all so convenient and efficient.
So here's what it looks like for you, the customer. It's just 4 simple steps. First, you scan a QR code to book instantly. No more being on hold. Next, you can actually track your mechanic's arrival in real time on a map, kind of like your favorite food delivery app. All your service history gets stored in a secure digital log, and when it's time to pay, you've got options: crypto or your good old credit card.
Now that blockchain-secured vehicle log might sound a little intimidating, but just think of it like a super secure digital glove compartment for your car's records. Because every service record is locked to the one before it, it creates this unchangeable history. Nobody can go in and mess with the data. This creates a totally transparent record of your car's life, which is huge when it comes time to sell it. You can prove its maintenance history beyond a shadow of a doubt.
This chart really just lays it all out, doesn't it? On one side, you have the old way, calling a tow truck, sitting for hours in some depressing waiting room, and then trying to keep track of a stack of paper invoices. And on the other side, the tech-forward way. The mechanic comes to you. You watch them approach on your phone. All your records are digital and safe, and you pay how you want. The difference is just night and day.
So when you zoom out, you start to see that this is really about more than just getting a convenient oil change. Let's take a look at the big picture here, at the core promise they're making. And here it is. This is the core promise. It's this blend of 2 different worlds. You get the reliability of a trusted, licensed mechanic, but it's powered by the efficiency and transparency of cutting-edge tech. It's not about choosing one or the other. It's about using technology to deliver that skilled service in a way that's just fundamentally better. And it all happens right where you are.
Which, of course, brings us to the big question. When you have on-demand service, GPS tracking, and super secure digital records, is this the future of car care? Could a model like this completely disrupt the traditional garage? It makes you wonder if we're headed for a world where the mechanic always comes to you. Something to think about.